So just starting off here from KFC because that's a good reference point. Down that road takes you to the beach. That's the main road for all your bars and restaurants later on in the evening. But there are a few side streets, so let's go check them out. It's a very sunny day again today. Time of filming, we are in Salou, and we're in September. March, what we're talking about, talking rubbish. We're in September the 24th, 2025. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to walk down here. There's a few side streets, going to go up and across and down again. It's where we had a meal last night. It's an area I've not filmed yet. We've got around about, I think I've made about 10 videos so far. Salou, Cambrils, walking around the headlands, different beaches. So when I'm back home after this little break, I'll put everything together in a playlist. And if you like, why not watch the entire playlist? If you know anyone who's coming to this area, wants to know what it looks like this time of year, or you haven't been to Salou for a while and want to know what it looks like, give you an idea of what to expect when you come. And as you can see, it's pretty busy. Lots of families here with kids, and it's not even school holidays, so I can imagine how busy this is during school holiday time. Quite a lot of locals here as well, which is nice to see. There's noticed quite a big police presence here. There's police bikes, police cars, and police walking around everywhere. I've not noticed that before on many of my travels, but there is quite a large police presence here. So directly in front of me, there's like a fountain thing, and straight across that zebra crossing there, that's your beach. So we're going to go for a little walk up here. I'm going to do this video again at night time because it's really vibrant and well lit up at night. It looks really nice here. It's just nice, so you can have a nose to see what it looks like during the daytime as well. See what's open, see what's available, look at the shops. If you have got any recommendations, bars, restaurants, hotels in the area, why not leave a comment in the comment section below. Hat shop. I might get a new hat made while I'm here. These places are empty now, but came down here last night and they were absolutely jam-packed. One observation I have got when you're in the shade here and that wind blows, it's chilly. But as soon as you're in the sun on the beach, it's melting hot. So you're like freezing cold to melting hot in seconds. I had to put a jumper on last night when I was walking around, but first night I got here there was no wind and it was really warm, so in your car you're going to be going this time of year.
I was thinking about getting on the train.
As you can see, this whole stretch has got this kind of like canopy roofing on. And these sweet shops are absolutely everywhere. I don't know how they're making any money because they're all selling exactly the same stuff. It's definitely not an expensive place to come and eat and dine. We had half a roast chicken last night. The drinks, I think it came to about €30. So it's back for two. So that's pretty reasonable, I think. You can get the cheapest pint I found here at €1.90, which is an absolute bargain, and that's just right next door to KFC. I've done a little short on that one, so if you want to check that out and find out where that place is, you can do. And just a little bit down from there, there's a place that does the rotisserie chickens for €13, so that's what we're having for dinner tonight. We're getting a... There you go. Prices of stuff, just to give you an idea. So, as I was saying, not expensive at all, really reasonably priced. Not quite as cheap as the Canaries, but not far off. Yeah, I've been to Tenerife this year and Lanzarote this year, and they are a little bit cheaper than here. Gran Canaria is a bit more expensive than here, but it kind of like puts this place at a really good price point for you're not going to break the bank going out for meals most nights, having a few drinks. Yeah, so during that sun you can really feel the difference in temperature. I got a fun fair going on here. I'm going to do like I say, a nighttime walking video, so we'll see if this is open at night time. This is 100% one of those resorts where it's perfect for everyone. It's kind of like my age, I'm mid-50s, I enjoy going here. I'd definitely come back here again. Lots of families here, lots of young couples here. Great for kids, they've got all this kind of entertainment going on, you know, you can stick them in an arcade and give them a few bob and they'll be happy for a couple of hours. And loads of places where you can entertain yourself with an evening. So yeah. Let's have a look at the menu and see what they've got going on here. Yep, not expensive at all. Okay, and that's the top of the street. So, thank you for watching if you've got this far. If you like this kind of concept, why not give me a thumbs up? YouTube love that, I love that, show me a bit of love. Pushes my video out there a little bit more. If you want to see more of my kind of more ramblings everywhere I go, I do vlog it now, so why not hit that subscribe button. Click on for the notifications so you'll see more of my content when it comes up. Yet again, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.